Everyone there is really passionate about food and about cooking and just learning every day. You're really working together and learning those skills to work in a food operation. Hi, my name's Claire Shepard, and I am a student enrolled in LWTech's Culinary Arts program. I decided to enroll at LWTech's culinary program after deciding to make a career change, and LWTech definitely checked all those boxes. LWTech has made my college experience easier just by having so many resources for me to succeed. I feel like the school really promotes trying to help every student and helping them in any aspect of their learning that they need. The whole campus is really dedicated to helping students succeed.
One thing about my journey that I was not expecting here was the community. There's a very strong community here at LWTech that I am very proud to be a part of, as well as enjoy and receive help and support from them. Hello, my name is Christopher North. I'm a student at LWTech and I'm currently enrolled in the Baking Arts program. The most important aspect of my journey here has been the teachers and the involvement and the support they've given me. As being an autistic student, I have had some special needs that I've needed to get help with, and my teachers have been beyond helpful. The reason I chose to enroll myself at the Baking Arts program at LWTech is because I have had a long journey of baking, and it's something I've enjoyed my whole life, and it's something I've really wanted to aspire to. So I enrolled here, and as I've done it, I've been able to start building a business and working towards a better life.
The culinary program has helped me figure out what I'm passionate about because it provides lots of opportunities to create and be creative in the kitchen. What has been really helpful is the experience of running Chef City Grill, which is on campus. So not only learning the basics of culinary, but we get to go through shifts of the entire restaurant. And we also, as a program, we decide on our menu. So it's a lot of recipe development and actually seeing all the layers of what go into making a food operation run.
Here at Lake Washington Tech in the Baking Arts program, we have the accessibility to have a retail counter, which here is basically like having a small bakery. And for us, that is important and absolutely necessary part of our business because it gives us the real world experience and knowledge to be able to sell at a retail point of contact. What I'm looking forward to accomplishing next is taking this to the next level. As I grow my business and grow my life, I'm hoping to be able to take on some of the competitions that are in the food realm, as well as grow it into a successful business.
I'm really looking forward to just getting into the field and gaining that experience in a professional kitchen and then moving up from there, just continuing to build upon the experience that I've gotten at LWTech. I would recommend enrolling in the LWTech program to anyone. It's a great place and you'll learn skills that you need in a career in this field, and you'll just have valuable experience from everyday learning.
To anyone that's looking to enroll in the Baking Arts program, I would say reach out to the facility managers, the program heads. Anyone in this program is extremely helpful. They have worked a long time at building a community here, and they reach out and do over and above in every way possible to help bring students in, create a culture, and create a better tomorrow for everyone that's involved. Come try it. Take a walk. Take a step.